Kits 1 and 2 are 4-point wheelchair tie-down solutions for rail fittings and come with either tongue and buckle or carabiner fixings. The wheelchair front tie-down has a fixed length, while the rear tie-down is fully flexible due to the simple over-centre mechanism. With the buckle facing outwards, fasten the front straps to the front wheelchair frame on the designated front tie-down attachment point. Press down on the ribbed part of the aluminium track fitting, or ATF, and push firmly towards the wheelchair until the yellow clip drops and locks into place. Install the second tie-down, ensuring that the position of this is parallel with the first, and repeat the procedure. Move to the rear of the wheelchair. Pull the wheelchair back to tension the front straps and apply the brakes on the wheelchair. Ensure the carabiner gates are facing outwards from the wheelchair main frame. Fit the rear straps into the rail, ensuring the clip is fully engaged. Release the over-centre tensioner, like so. Pull the webbing and attach the carabiner to the designated rear tie-down attachment point. Pull the loose webbing until firm. Close the over-centre tensioner using both hands and re-secure the Velcro fastening. The correct tension of the webbing is such that the over-centre buckle can be turned 90 degrees with moderate hand pressure. Install the second rear strap. The webbing should create an angle of around 30 to 45 degrees and should be in line with the rear of the frame to hold the wheelchair correctly and securely. A suitable occupant restraint must now be fitted. See the relevant occupant restraint video. To remove the rear wheelchair tie-downs, undo the over-centre tensioners, as shown. Pull the restraints so the webbings are slack and unfasten the carabiners from the wheelchair frame. Close the over-centre tensioners and refasten the Velcro. Remove the ATF feet from the rail. Release the wheelchair brakes, push the wheelchair forward and reapply the brakes. Remove the front straps by depressing the buckle button and release the front tie-downs from the rail. Store Kit 2 in an appropriate place in the vehicle.